gold outlook. How do we trade this after the NFP? So what are we looking at here? So ano lang, for the context, no, breakout from the longer term bearish downtrend channel, no. So hindi siya nagkaroon ng sharp retest or bumalik, no, para makapag-ride tayo dyan sa uptrend na yan, no. Pero yun yan, nakapag-signal tayo dyan. So sa talagang community natin, meron tayong signal dyan na we are buying gold. So as early as 4,040 around here, no, nagbabay na tayo. Actually around here, no. So meron na tayo nakikitang divergence dyan, and also it's getting higher highs and higher lows. Okay? And yun nga, nagkaroon ng breakout from there. So here nagkaroon ng consolidation, breakout, and then tuloy-tuloy from the resistance area, breakout, and then small retest here. No, we are actually expecting some retest around here, ganyan. But it did not happen. So what happened was nagkaroon ng consolidation, lumapit dito sa trend line na to. So this is where we provided additional signals now if we are going to re-enter. And now, as you can see here, NFP 85K forecast, and pag mas mababa, it's good for gold, no? Kasi it's negative for the USD. And our earnings is on the red as well, outnumbering tong unemployment, no? So although the unemployment is positive for US dollar, it's not that significant. And also, previously, kaya tayo nagbabay with gold is because of this, right? So as you can see, all or most of it is on the red. Okay, yung mga important, no, CPI and PPI, it's very important for the USD, and yun nga, talagang bumabagsak si US dollar because of this. And also the prospect of geopolitical tension na maayos na yung US and Iran. Also, federal funds rate na which is already priced in. Yan nga na nagkaroon nga ng ano, no, ng bearish trend because of this federal funds rate. So, but it's already priced in, and after the federal funds rate na news na lumabas, no, ito na nga yung nangyari. Nagkaroon na nga ng mga bullish divergences itong si gold. And also GDP as well. Ayan. So medyo bagsak din, no. So although merong mga mangilan-ngilan na green, no, which is positive for US dollar and negative for gold. Konti lang, no, as compared sa napakaraming positive for gold, no. So now, what do we want to see for gold? So we want again to um, for it to have a bounce here. Okay. So again, we're not chasing prices. We are actually trailing itong ano natin kay gold, no. Itong mga entries natin kay gold. So all the way from here, we're just opening our TP there and also moving our stop. So once it moves, let's say nag-breakout, no? So bumili tayo dito, nag-breakout dito, we will move um, the stop here, no? So from here na stop, this is the break-even level, and now whatever happens, kung mabalikan man niya yan, positive pa rin tayo, profit pa rin tayo. But it did not, so tuloy-tuloy yung pag-akyat niya. And now, umakyat ulit siya. Nagkaroon ng support here. Also, nagkaroon ng support here. So, nandito pa rin yung ating ano, no, trail stop. And now, umakyat siya ulit dito. So, now we are moving our stop here. Okay, so kasi we have enough evidence here, here, and here. Also, umakyat na siya, no? So now, what do we want to see? We want to see that this one lines with this. So it's a previous resistance, now a support. So we want to see gold going back here and then going back up. Okay, so if you are not If you haven't entered yet, you can enter here, targeting this and having this as our stop loss. Okay, and and from here it's gonna give us 1:2 risk reward ratio. You can open the TP, but this 4380 is actually a Fibonacci extension of 1.618. So I'm not actually sure if there's any room left for growth, but I'm not considering to close yet yung mga previous positions natin. No? So again, if this gold goes back up there, we will move our stop from here. So again, all the way from here, around 4,040 level. Now it's up at 4,300. No? So how much na yun? And again, if it hits 4080, I might close it all from here. But probably we can just uh, lessen our position. So if we are using, let's say, zero point 0.1, no, we can close the zero point 0.5, or sorry, the 0.05, para secure na yung profit at the very top. All right. And that's it for our gold outlook and how do we trade it from here. So medyo magulo na, no? All right. So close na natin. And there, again, we are eyeing for a pullback around here, no? Around here. So again, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals. And nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa bio natin. See you there.